If you want to know which kitchen brands will still function perfectly 50 years from now, do not ask the sales representative at Williams-Sonoma. Ask someone whose grandmother passed down cast iron cookware that her grandmother used. Ask a chef who inherited kitchen equipment from her parents and uses it daily without replacement. Ask a homeowner who has used the same kitchen appliances for 30 years without a single service call. These people understand something that modern manufacturers deliberately hide from you. Most kitchen brands are engineered to fail within 5 to 7 years. They are built with cheap materials and plastic components designed to deteriorate on schedule. But there is a small group of manufacturers who refuse to embrace planned obsolescence. They still manufacture kitchen equipment the way it was built decades ago, with quality materials, with precision engineering, with the expectation that the product will outlive the original purchaser. Before we continue, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. We expose manufacturing deception and celebrate products built to last every single week. If you care about owning kitchen equipment that will function for generations, subscribing ensures you never miss this content. Now let us reveal the 5 kitchen brands that still manufacture heirloom quality products. The kitchen industry collapsed. 40 years ago, kitchen equipment was an investment. Families purchased pots, pans, and appliances, expecting to use them for decades. A quality Dutch oven cost $60 and lasted 60 years. A good knife cost $40 and never needed replacement. A cast iron skillet cost $15 and improved with age. Quality was the standard. Then corporate consolidation happened. Brands merged. Cost-cutting executives replaced craftspeople. Manufacturing moved to cheaper overseas facilities. Materials degraded. Plastic replaced metal. Non-stick coatings replaced seasoned surfaces. Handles glued instead of riveted. Companies discovered that consumers do not understand kitchen equipment quality until years after purchase. By then, the customer has already replaced the item multiple times. The profit cycle is complete, so manufacturers optimize for maximum replacement cycles, not durability. A modern non-stick pan costs $30 and lasts 2 years. Over a lifetime, a customer spends $900 replacing pans that should cost $60 and lasts forever. This is the modern kitchen industry strategy. Professional chefs noticed this immediately. They stopped buying new brands. They sought out vintage equipment from decades past. They inherited kitchen tools from older generations. They maintained them carefully. They refused to transition to inferior modern alternatives. Ask any serious home cook what pans she actually uses daily, and you will see equipment from 30 years ago. She refuses modern products because the quality difference is undeniable. Brand number 1. Le Creuset. Le Creuset manufactures enameled cast iron cookware in France using the same process, unchanged for over 100 years. Their facility uses sand mold casting combined with hand finishing. Each Dutch oven is individually crafted and inspected. Le Creuset cookware costs $300 to $400 per piece. Modern non-stick alternatives cost $30 to $50. The price difference is extreme. Yet Le Creuset cookware purchased today will function identically 50 years from now. The enameled surface will not degrade. The cast iron interior will improve with use. The handle will never crack or loosen. A Le Creuset Dutch oven, purchased in 1970, functions perfectly today with zero maintenance. The enameled coating has never chipped. The cast iron has never cracked. The functionality is identical to a brand new piece. Le Creuset offers lifetime warranty on their products. This is only possible because they manufacture with standards ensuring durability across generations. Home cooks invest in Le Creuset because the cost per use declines with every meal prepared across decades. Brand number 2. Victorinox manufactures kitchen knives in Schaffhausen, Switzerland, using precision forging. Their knives are recognizable by Swiss engineering excellence. A Victorinox chef knife costs $50 to $100. Chinese mass-produced knives cost $10. The price difference reflects manufacturing reality. Victorinox uses high-carbon stainless steel with precise heat treatment. The blade maintains sharp edge through years of professional use. The handle is riveted not glued. The balance is engineered for precise control. Professional chefs carry Victorinox knives because the blade executes clean cuts essential for food preparation. A dull knife is dangerous. It requires excessive pressure, risking slips and cuts. Victorinox maintains sharp edge across thousands of cutting operations. A knife purchased 30 years ago functions identically to a knife manufactured today. The quality standard has never degraded. Brand number 3. All-Clad. All-Clad manufactures stainless steel cookware in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania, using American manufacturing excellence. Their cookware is constructed with bonded stainless steel and aluminum cores, creating superior heat distribution. All-Clad cookware costs $100 to $300 per piece. Modern nonstick alternatives cost $30 to $50. Yet All-Clad cookware will function for 50 years without degradation. The stainless steel surface will never peel or chip. The handle will never loosen. The heat distribution will remain consistent across decades. Home cooks choose All-Clad because the cookware performs identically whether used today or 20 years from now. No nonstick coating degradation. No plastic handle failure. No warping or deformation. Professional chefs rely on All-Clad because consistency is essential in professional kitchens. Temperature control must be predictable. Heat distribution must be even. All-Clad delivers this across decades of professional use. Brand number 4. Lodge Cast Iron. Lodge manufactures cast iron cookware in Tennessee using hand-pour casting and hand-finishing techniques unchanged for 150 years. Their skillets cost $30 to $50. They function for generations. A Lodge skillet purchased today will be used by your children and grandchildren without requiring replacement or maintenance beyond basic seasoning. Cast iron improves with age. The seasoning layer deepens. The performance enhances. The cookware never fails. Competitors manufactured modern nonstick skillets that fail within 2 years. The coating peels. The handle cracks. The cookware is discarded. Lodge refuses non-stick coatings. They refuse shortcuts. They manufacture cast iron the way it has been manufactured for centuries. The upfront cost is low. The durability is infinite. This is the opposite of modern manufacturing philosophy. A Lodge skillet is an investment in heirloom quality passed through generations. Brand number 5. KitchenAid Stand Mixer. Limited American production. KitchenAid manufactures stand mixers in Ohio using American manufacturing standards. The original KitchenAid mixer, introduced in 1919, still functions perfectly today. Modern KitchenAid mixers are manufactured with identical engineering principles. The motor is powerful. The gearing system is precision manufactured. A KitchenAid mixer costs $300 to $400. Modern, cheaper mixer alternatives cost $50. The KitchenAid will function for 30 years without requiring replacement. The cheaper mixer will fail within 3 to 5 years. Over a lifetime, the KitchenAid costs less, despite higher upfront cost. Home bakers choose KitchenAid because the mixer delivers consistent performance across decades. The motor power never diminishes. The gearing never strips. The attachment compatibility spans generations. Why heirloom quality matters? These 5 manufacturers employ skilled workers. They use premium materials. They maintain manufacturing precision that cost-cutting competitors abandoned. Every purchase supports manufacturing excellence. These brands prove that heirloom-quality kitchen equipment remains viable if companies prioritize durability over maximum profit margins. If you want kitchen equipment that will function for decades, purchase from these 5 brands. Yes, the cost is significantly higher than modern alternatives. Yes, you sacrifice trendy aesthetics and modern convenience features, but you gain durability, consistency, and quality that foreign mass manufacturers cannot replicate. You purchase once. You own for life. You pass the equipment to your children. You break the replacement cycle and reject planned obsolescence. Build your kitchen around heirloom quality equipment. Start with a La Croisette Dutch oven. These items will function perfectly. 50 years from now, your kitchen becomes a collection of investments rather than consumable products. Your grandchildren will use your equipment and understand that quality transcends generations. If you made it this far, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. I expose manufacturing deception and celebrate heirloom quality products every single week. Share this video with anyone who still believes in purchasing quality over quantity. Let us build a community that rejects planned obsolescence and invests in products built to last lifetimes.